Does your device need repair? We offer a no-obligation diagnosis. We collect and deliver to your home, no calls and no traveling. We'll send you the quote before we repair, and we only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to our tutorial on changing the side brush motors of your Rowenta Smartforce vacuum cleaner. Today, we'll take you through this process step by step, ensuring you have all the necessary tools and knowledge to carry out this task efficiently. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and possibly some pliers. These tools will help you access the components of your vacuum cleaner easily. Start by ensuring that your Rowenta Smartforce is unplugged and completely turned off. Safety is paramount, and you don't want any unexpected activations while working on the device. Now, flip the vacuum cleaner upside down. This will give you access to the underside where the side brush motors are located. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws that hold the side brush covers in place. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe spot as you will need them later. Once the covers are off, you'll see the side brush motors. Carefully detach the small connectors that link the motors to the vacuum's main circuit. At this stage, if you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. This means you can get expert advice without the need for immediate commitment. Next, remove the motors by unscrewing them from their mounts. As you do this, take note of how the motors are positioned, as you will need to install the new ones in the same manner. It's wise to take this opportunity to clean the internal area of the vacuum. Dust and debris can build up over time and affect performance. Use a brush or a vacuum attachment to remove any dust, ensuring everything is tidy before proceeding. Now it's time to install the new side brush motors. Align them correctly and secure them in place with the screws you removed earlier. Reconnect the small connectors. Make sure they are snug to avoid any operational issues. Once everything is back in place, replace the side brush covers. Again, use your Phillips screwdriver to secure these with the screws. Always ensure that all components are fitted securely, as loose parts can lead to further issues later. Before you flip your vacuum right side up, give it a quick once-over. Look for any missing screws or components. Once satisfied, turn it back over and plug it in to test the new motors. If you're still feeling uncertain about any part of this process, remember that we also offer collection and delivery at your home. This means you can avoid the hassle of transporting your vacuum while ensuring it is handled by professionals. Plus, with our no calls, no travel policy, you can experience this service from the comfort of your own home. Finally, once you've completed your repairs and testing, if you ever require further assistance, our service includes a quote before any repair work is undertaken, ensuring you know exactly what to expect. With your Rowenta Smartforce now back in action, you can enjoy a more effective cleaning experience. Thank you for following along with our guide. Does your device need repair? We offer a no-obligation diagnosis. We collect and deliver to your home, no calls and no traveling. We'll send you the quote before we repair, and we only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.